Hello guys, so it is Sunday, and of course on a Sunday we have a quick look at the forecast for the next week on Apxt stock. So of course that is what we are going to be doing tonight. We're giving all of my predictions on what may happen in the next week based on what we have been seeing this week in the charts. Well, of course I am not a financial advisor, but we can be giving my opinions tonight, so that is what we are going to do. But please do make sure that you do your own research on this one, as of course things that I say could be incorrect, as it is only my predictions. And of course, with that being said, if you would like to come talk to us on Discord, you can. Link to the Discord is in the description, and if you would like to become a channel member, you can do that as well by pressing the join button. But with that being said, of course, like I said, I am not a financial advisor, and if you see any dodgy links in the comment section, they are not left by me. There is somebody pretending to be me. So of course, if you see any dodgy like WhatsApp links or things like that, it is obviously not directly from me. It is a scam, so please do remember that. And with that being said, we are going to jump straight into the video. So guys, when we look at our screens right now, we can see over the past 5 days, Apxt stock has kind of been selling off. And if we look at the whole period of the past 5 days, we are down about 8%. It is quite a significant drop, honestly, and it does kind of come in relation to what we have been seeing over the full, maybe even 6-month period with this stock. So basically, ever since the merger was announced back on about the 25th, I believe, of November, we saw a big increase initially, which took us up to the $15 range. From there, we did sell off a little bit, and fair enough, as people were selling their profits if they may have gotten early enough. And of course, from there we actually saw a little bit more growth, which took us up to this high point. Now of course, from there we saw a little bit of a rally for no apparent reason, but from there, we did actually decrease a bit. But you know what, after that we had that initial date announcement almost of the merger, not 100% approved yet, but it was kind of an indication of some good things to come, and I think that really did get a lot of people's hopes up for this one. And you know what, a lot of people then sold off afterwards, unfortunately. Now of course, this is due to happen a lot of the times when a merger or at least some big news does get announced. We see a big increase and then we see a bit of a sell-off afterwards. But with Apxt, what we have been seeing over the past 5 days is not like that, in the sense that yes, we are still up a tiny bit, we're up 4%, but from the previous level of about 1493, we can see we're only up a small amount. Realistically, this sell-off should have ended sooner, but I think it is quite indicative of the fact that some people are getting quite tired of Apxt. People tell me in the comments all the time that they are getting tired of it, but you know what guys, when it comes to this one, I think you really do need to be patient and things will pay off. This is a very big company in its field, and I think once that merger is official and complete, you definitely are onto a winner there. And you know what, if you've bought in now, if you've bought in even at an earlier point, you are definitely in a fair enough or at least decent enough position to see some profits, in my opinion. But guys, looking specifically into the next week, honestly, I know this one's probably going to disappoint you, but in my personal opinion, I can't see too much to come. I think at the maximum we might break past that $17 high, but I would not be 100% certain that was going to happen. I would definitely see next week as being an increasing week where the share price is probably going to go up, but I would not expect it to be by too much. I think it will be relatively flat, and I think yes, the closer we get to the merger date, the more it will pick up. But as of current, I think yes, there is a lot of potential, but I just can't see the big growth coming in the next week. But overall guys, if you are going to be buying this one, or if you have bought this one, I think you really should be looking at profits over the longer period. And when I say that, I'm talking about over the next 1 to 3 months, because of course the merger is expected to be complete in late February. After that, we will of course have this stock being listed as 8th Point stock, and I think from there a lot of people will be interested in investing in the company. So realistically guys, it is a very big company in its field, like I've said, and we can see some big potential for this one post merger. So honestly, keep your hopes up for post merger, or at least around the merger date. I think we'll need to get a bit closer to that date before we do see some serious growth. But honestly guys, if you can wait the next month or so, realistically we are looking at some very big potential. So I hope you enjoyed the quick video guys. If you did, please do leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye until then.